Hey everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about final year exam, and also I'll share how I study with some preparation tips, and I'll share a few apps that I use which might be useful for you as well. So yeah. Now, before we begin, I'd like to talk about the whole final year exam situation. I'm sure most of you might know about this, so you can skip this part and go straight to my study tips. I'll leave all the timestamps in the description below. Basically, it's been a very weird year for the whole world, but it's been weirder for us students. What happened is we had our practical exams going on, and after the last practical exam, which was on 17th March, we were told that the exams are postponed till any further notice because of you know what. I have my laptop and I'll look into the dates, so don't mind me looking here. On 8th May, it was declared that the universities should prepare to conduct the exams in July. It wasn't possible due to the lockdown. Then on 1st June, it was announced that, quote, the state will have no choice but to promote the final year students based on the performance of their previous semesters, and those who think can perform better can give the exams again in the winter session, which is October November. Although it wasn't clarified that the exams are cancelled, we all were like so happy, but ये सिर्फ 4 दिन की चांदनी थी. From then until now, a lot has happened, and a lot of the petitions were filed in the Supreme Court to cancel the exams and stuff. Finally, in September, which is this month, we were told that the exams will be conducted. I know we all were very upset with that decision, but there was nothing that we could do, and at this point I'm sure all of us just want to be done with our exams. As I mentioned before, in my college we are already done with the practical exams, so it's just the theory. It's been 5 months since we actually studied, and maybe many of you like me would have forgotten about the stuff which we have prepared earlier for the exams, but I'm sure that we'll get through it. Coming to the format of the exam, so we'll have 50 MCQ questions per subject, which we'll have to solve in 1 hour. So we'll have around 1 minute per question. So now coming to the actual how I study or how I plan to study for the exam. First, I'll just explain what I'm studying and all the subjects that I have. So I'm studying Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I have like 5 subjects. So I have Business Intelligence, Security in Computing, Software Quality Assurance, Principles of Geographic Information System, and IT Service Management. What I like to do first of all is plan. I plan out everything based on the number of days that I have. So it will be like, okay, today I'll do these chapters in this many hours. So make your own plan and decide a day before all the things that you are supposed to be done with tomorrow. You can plan out things in your journal or diary and stuff, but there are some apps which are very useful for planning out. I didn't start studying until this month. We studied thoda before. I'm sure most of us completely stopped studying because anyway, I like to start studying the easiest subject or the subject that I'm most comfortable with. So I actually started out with Business Intelligence. What I'll do is I wouldn't rectify and stuff. I'll simply just read through the book and write out the important stuff, and that is my first step. Read everything and understand the main concepts. Write down all the points and topics which you think are useful. Your mind focused on the thing that you are reading and writing. That really helps to get that thing stored in your head. Also, by preparing your own notes, you'll actually remember it. If you think that किसी और के notes या फिर कोई scholar के notes would be very helpful, then go for it. But what I think is, jab tak you don't write your own notes or you don't yourself read and go through the topic and understand it, tab tak you will not be confident with the subject. Start with your favorite subject and then work your way through to the subject that you don't like. So that way you'll have thoda confidence, like okay, I'm done with almost all of my subject and sirf ab yahi baki hai. The next tip is to manage your time properly. So you need to decide first at what time you will be studying. Time management is really important right now, because counting from today's 15th, so we basically have another 15 days for our actual exam. Third tip is to take breaks in between and motivate yourself. You could do it by studying in intervals. It would help you to actually study more than you are to study continuously. You can divide it into smaller rewards like this one. So yeah, you get a chocolate after every 5 or 10 pages which you have done. This way you'll actually get all the studying done before, and later you can scroll through Instagram without regretting. Last and most important tip is that don't stress. I know this is very easy to say. All of us are stressed thoda to during exam. But I must say that don't let it get you, and instead focus on the stuff that you have in front of you. Follow your plan or schedule. Do not alter it. Okay, now for the apps. So some of the apps that I use are these. So the first app that I have is Forest. So this app is kind of nice because it will help you to focus and you'll not constantly check your phone. So you can grow small trees and basically grow your own forest. You start planting your tree and you'll have for how many hours or minutes you want to study and focus. And so by the end you could see your own forest. So the next app is kind of similar. It's called the Study Bunny, and so here you can earn coins by studying, and you can feed the bunny, and you can view your stats and also how many hours that you actually studied. Now I personally don't use any planner apps, but I use the inbuilt notepad to have to-do list and stuff. There are many planner apps. You can just go on the Play Store and search for planner and you'll find plenty of planner apps there. We use Google Meets to have our college meetings. Then I have Duo, which I use to connect with friends, and we do group studying. And all of these Google apps are useful for project presentation and stuff. So this is it for today's video, and I'll be having my mock test in the next week or so, and I'm thinking to make a follow-up video about how it all went and stuff. So if you want to check that out, then make sure you will subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on so you don't miss that video. Also comment below how you guys are studying for the exam. So yeah, don't stress and stay safe everyone. I hope we all do well in our exams, and all the best. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.